Hello YouTube land. Today I'm going to be picking up where I left off a week ago on drawing a castle on my sister's wall. So if you didn't watch our last video, this is what I'm putting on the wall. And so far I only got the 32 squares done last week. And well, I'm going to try and get at least half of these squares drawn in. And then maybe next week another half. And then a week after that, maybe I'll do permanent marker or a paint marker over it. You have to slow-mo this, Mallory. I'm just doing it because it helps with storage, I guess. Because you don't have enough storage. So you gotta speed this up. Don't put this in the actual video. First square done. It's pretty good. I mean, it's that one right there, the bottom corner. And I found a couple easy squares, like right here, 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 and here. So it's basically nothing in those squares. So this one's gonna be easy. The little part that's gonna be easy. I think maybe I'll go up and down, or maybe I'll work my way that way, all across. Probably that way.
You have to speed this one up too, Mallory. Don't put that in the video.
So, here's how far I got. I mean, it's pretty good. I got 5 squares done out of 32. And I thought I'd be close up on it because you can't really see it from far away that well. And I'm checking them off as I go. I got that. It's pretty easy because each of these squares are times 12. And if I take my ruler, then you can see, like, measure how long that tower is, and if it's like 3/4 of an inch, then you just say like 3/4 of a foot, and that's your answer right there. So it's going pretty good. So I got another 9 done, and it's looking pretty good. It's very faint though on camera. You can see it better in real life. That's good right there. And it has a lot of boulders and hills all over the place. So that was interesting to do. As you can see in the drawing, it's very uneven ground. And that was tricky too, that little front balcony. So I think I'll do 3 more squares and then I'll be done. That'll be 16 squares and I'll do 16 next week probably.
Hey, what do you think about the star?
I have milk.
You got the middle?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mine is racy butter.
Yeah, it has butter in it. And garlic and salt and onion powder and parsley.
Horrible.
You said it was good.
No, I didn't. Oh. Did you catch that?
Eat your food, Mallory.
I'm showing you these onions that we harvested. We didn't catch it on video, so that's why I'm showing you the onions.
Morning. we're outside, and I was looking at the garden and noticed that the potatoes look like they were ready to pick because they're kind of half dying. Let me show you. See? Like they're getting all shrivelly and brown. I think they're ready to pick. And I'm trying to tell them not to do it that way. Get a shovel, go underneath, and lift it up.
Like this?
Earlier when I came out, I noticed that a bunch of the onions were were falling over. There's still some. There's one. And there's one that's like dried up. Can I zoom in? On the top. So I'm like, oh, you better pick that because it's drying right in place and start rotting. All of the grass and weeds that are growing in my garden area are driving me crazy, but that's how it is when you just had a baby. You can't go outside and garden. You have to rely on the kids mostly to go ahead and do any of this. Here's a volunteer.
We need all the rocks.
Gourd plant. I don't know if it's a decorative gourd plant or a pumpkin. The gladiolus have started to flower, but they're facing the wrong way. They're facing towards the fence. And if you look over here, you see it's backwards.
No.
They should be facing out.
That's not.
There's the liatris. Those have been out for a while. Here's the silver maple that was cut down and now is growing back, which it's like, oh, we made it into a gnome home and then it decides to grow back. Okay, Sophie is ripping apart the plant. No, that's not how that goes.
Here.
I'll show you how to do it then.
So
You
we're
stick it
digging
in the
up the
ground as far
potatoes.
as it'll go, and you lift up the soil around the plants to try and loosen the soil and the potatoes as best you can. We're trying to. I don't think
Yeah, we're trying
it
to
doesn't look
harvest.
like there's much of anything to harvest, but I don't know. I'll let you guys do it.
It's like
Oh, and can you tell? This is your debut with your new haircut. She got her haircut into a little, like, she looks like a little French girl. Oui, oui, madame. And here comes help.
potato.
Hold on. Potato?
I think there's a potato somewhere at the edge. I saw a white bit.
Where?
That you got to be careful not to dig into the potatoes.
For real.
What?
Don't use your hands at that point, so you don't like break it.
Where's
You don't
the
wanna-
potato?
Right there. Digging it up. Okay, want me to get it?
I don't
Hey,
see
weed
it.
pecker. That'll help me wedge it out. No, but they don't get cut.
Yeah, you don't want to cut it.
No, I mean on the side. Well, and then we'll go
to dig
nudge it out.
Potato right here.
Oh my!
No, you're cut.
No, that's not how you do it.
You just take off the top.
Over here.
Fence. Oh no, there's ants and roly-polies down there.
What? Oh, please.
It's a bit
Guys,
overkill, but
throw the plant parts into the yard.
you gotta
Don't-
do that. Because you go do that. I'll
Usually you just take all of the plant out at the same time instead of cutting off the top of it. Ooh, you growing a new tree in there? Okay, here's a frustrating reality. We don't know if we grew any potatoes. And then watch, they'll stay in there. We won't find any. And then they'll start growing next year.
Potato.
I'm trying to get it out.
Sophie, you actually found the potato.
Here, that's the original one. Move. I think that moved. Oh, 2 potatoes!
Oh!
A big one. Those are nice.
What? I need it. Can I have the trowel, please?
No potato.
Potato! Potato! Oh, it's a big one! Look at that, the size of that thing!
Nice. That's a potato. What?
Wow.
Well, we gotta need to.
Another potato! Dig! Okay.
Potato treasure.
Oh, I found another one!
They're treasure hunters.
Hey, no, this is my spot. I can't dig! I don't got anything! Oh, there's another one!
Cool.
I
we have a
wanna
couple.
dig too.
Potato!
Very good.
Can I have it? I'll try and grow a little longer. I don't know.
Bigger. I wanna see.
I don't know. When I've let it die back or flower, and then we go and pick them in the past, then I find some of them getting eaten
Tiny potato.
by bugs.
I want a straw.
Let me zoom in. Oh, I was gonna zoom in on that. I was trying to anyway. Okay, got it.
Ew, guts
How
of
much
a potato.
Let me see.
Potato! Just kidding, that's a company.
Be careful. You want to push in farther with the shovel.
And then see if
How many potatoes we can get?
Yeah.
Look how tiny the potato
Don't bury the weed picker.
just a weed.
Oh, look. No, that's a potato, Rosie. That's so tiny. Oh, can I have the weed picker? No, that's a good one.
Rosie, will you take those tops of the potato plants and throw them onto the grass?
That's a decent size. That's not a decent size.
Rosie, put this in the wagon. Ooh, this is fun. Yeah. It's fun.
Yeah, you could put them in the path right here,
Can I have
so they could break down on top of it. Put them in this path over here, like right here. You see where all that hole is of no grass? Put them in that. Put the potato plants in that. We've got another one now joining the potato hunting crew, right? It's like you're hunting for lost treasure. Treasure hunters.
That is all the grass leaves.
We found one
Potatoes. Actually, there's a couple more.
A couple more.
Yeah, I'm having her put the potato plants in the bare spot that hasn't grown any grass.
Look at it! It's like the size of an apple. Two!
I was just telling them that I think in this bed when
You
they're
can have
done,
both of
we should start some zucchini seeds and see how they go. And then over in that bed, maybe we start some broccoli.
Yeah, that was
I heard that you can have better success if you start. It's July. It's the middle of July. So hopefully we have a season that goes until mid to late October. In the last couple of years it's been hot all the way into December. I think we even had like 70s for Christmas weather last year. Is that right?
Yeah.
It's pretty hot,
Let me get the
which is
weed.
weird because we've even had snowy Christmases too, so it's all over the place. Here's the haul so far, or the treasure.
Mommy,
Potato
where do
tree
we
or
put those potatoes again?
You like growing potatoes? They're pretty easy, huh? Can I zoom in? I had Caleb cut off the growth. Where's the growth? That was right there. Thank goodness. It's probably gonna have to keep getting trimmed. But now that we've made it into a gnome home, I want it to stay that way. Oh, it's tiny. What are those called? What are they called?
Rolling potatoes.
Roly patolis? Are they called roly patolis, Rosie?
Yes.
Can you say Rosie, will you say it again? Will you say roly patolis?
My hands are gonna get eaten, and I'm gonna say.
No, I just told them that the plants get eaten up by the roly polies. And we try to get better soil this year, and yet there's still all over in this soil. It's like, what the heck? And I can't see it because they're flicking dirt all over the place. I just wanted to look at the grapes and check them out. Saw them starting to grow. Last year we had a ton, and we did not have the problem with them turning colors like that. I don't know what's going on.